on the edge. Highway maggots. Avalanche. Accident alley. A rookie fumbles. Driving on thin ice. Edge of the earth. Blood, sweat, and tears. No way out. Road to nowhere. Meltdown. Road to season 2. The final run. Loads to learn. Deadliest Ice Road. Pushing the edge/ice road rage. The polar bear returns. Man down. The big chill. The big blizzard. Hell freezes over. The big skid. Hell Nino. To the fire. Hail to the king. Chopping block. Destination diamond mine. Ready to roll. Load rules. Hurricane alley. Jackknife Jeopardy. Race the melt. Snowbound. Collision course. Icing on the lake. Breakdown. Icy Grave. World's End. You cold blood. The final ride.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.